Good morning. My name is Sean Smith, and I am applying for the Control Technician Engineer position. I hope you've had a chance to look at my resume. Now, I'm applying for the job because I want to obtain a challenging position in a high quality environment where my resourceful skills and experience will add value to your organization. With a passion for electronics and electrical circuits and engineering, I strive to be the best. I excel at troubleshooting and problem solving. Patience and cool-minded are my best virtues. Yes, I love to see. Thank you. You asked, what are your strengths? Well, I've already listed a few of my strengths. I think that my biggest strength would have to be that I am a very quick learner. There have been jobs that I have gone to that I didn't know much about, but with the training and the my quick learning, I picked up on the job very fast, and then I put the skills that I learned to use and performed very well for the employer. You asked, what areas am I working to improve? That is a very good question. I have one particular area that I need to improve on, and that is my problem with trying to be perfect on the job all the time. Now, this is a problem because, as you know, being perfect at a job takes a lot of time. Now, I've dealt with this by realizing that I can't be perfect the first time, and it does take time to finish the job with quality and at a good time manner. Describe a time when you're creative in solving a problem. Now, that's a good question. I have one for you, though. There was a past job where I had a CNC machine that would randomly alarm out, and no one could figure out why the machine would alarm out. Well, the machine had an error that would pop up every once in a while, and then it'd go away, it'd come back and go away. So to figure out the problem, I had to create a program, and the program had to do certain movements, and then I found out that the machine had a sensor that needed to be fixed. And after seeing that the sensor needed fixed, I went and tried to clean the sensor because most of the time with these particular machines, the sensor just needed to be cleaned. So I cleaned the sensor, and that didn't fix the problem. So then I had to get a different sensor, put it on the machine, run the program again, and then find out that the machine was in fact working correctly. And after that, the machine didn't alarm out until maybe something else happened to the machine. Tell me about a time when you persuaded a colleague to see things your way. That is a great question. And, every once in a while, everyone runs into this problem where when you're troubleshooting something, everyone has their own idea. So, one of my colleagues, we were working on a machine, and the machine would it would do its own thing. It would kind of randomly alarm out for a certain error. Those are common with CNC machine, just errors. And on this particular machine, it could have been one of two things. My colleague chose a certain troubleshooting method, and then I chose a troubleshooting method. Well, his troubleshooting method would have been to fix something that was not correct. And to make my colleague realize that the pathway that he chose to troubleshoot it wasn't correct was by explaining why mine was correct. And then I used schematics to show that the part that he was trying to fix wasn't the correct one and why mine was the correct one. So the use of schematics and then, of course, the use of the machine proved my side of the troubleshooting. And after he realized this, we fixed the machine and the machine ran correctly afterwards. I have a question for you. What do you find most challenging about working for this organization? I'd like to thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.